Wonderful opportunity to own a home in the cutest of neighborhoods. The Islands at Three Oaks welcomes you. Perfect for the deer. 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage, custom kitchen with stainless steel appliances, high ceilings, in-home laundry and fenced-in yard, new roof 2017. Great community amenities and low HOA fee. Located right across the street from Three Oaks Park, where you can play basketball, handball, tennis, volleyball, soccer, track, softball, baseball, kids park, along with a community pool, hot tub and clubhouse. Choice schools, and minutes from SWFL International Airport, RSW, FGCU, Germain Arena, Coconut Point Mall and our beautiful beaches. Make an offer.